Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about set notation and Venn diagrams. What is a set? A set is a collection of elements. Elements could be anything. Numbers, letters, coordinates, etc. A set described by writing its elements inside the curly brackets. You see the example. Set of odd numbers below 10. We can represent like this in curly brackets. 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. This is the set of odd numbers below 10. We normally use uppercase letters to represent sets, like capital A, capital B, like that, and lowercase letters to represent elements, simple ABC, inside the curly brackets. Set rule. If the set of elements follow a rule, we can write this using a colon inside the curly bracket, like this. So see the example. This is the type of element, and colon, this is the rule. The rule is x cube smaller than 50. So this is the rule, and this is the type of element. Set notations. A universal set we can represent like this: epsilon, u, s, or psi. Universal set is the set of everything. Multiples of 3 less than 20. So the universal set equals, within curly brackets, multiples of 3, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, and 18. Null set, empty set. We can represent it like this. In this rule, x colon, x is an even prime bigger than 5. So we know only the even prime is 2. So bigger than 5, no any prime number. So it is an empty set, null set. Na is the number of elements in set A. This is set A. Then it is number of elements in A. This set is given some countries, Asia, Africa, and Australia. So end of this set is 1, 2, 3. End of null set is empty. End of null set is 0. There are no elements in the set. But if the set is 0, so one element is there. 0 is the element. If we write like this, set of 0, then there's one element. A null set means empty set. This means O is an element of A. This notation is element. See another example given. X element of 149. So this X is either 1, 4, or 9. A is a subset of B. So every element in A is also in B. This is subset of B. Example, students in class Y that passed the exam is a subset of students in class Y. This is a proper subset. So this is not equal to B. Example, this even numbers less than 10. So this is the set B. So set B is having real numbers up to 10, and even numbers less than 10 means this 2, 4, 6, 8, like that. This is a proper subset. A is a subset of B, but not the same as B. It is not equal to B. No, it is less than B. A is a proper subset. This notation means not an element. So A not an element of A. See this notation. A is not a proper subset of B. A intersection B means A and B. That means the elements in both set A and set B. A union B. Everything in A or B or both. A dash means not A. Everything outside A. Venn diagram. A Venn diagram is a way to illustrate all the elements within sets and any intersections. A Venn diagram consists of a rectangle, that is the universal set, and inside there are circles. These circles may overlap or not overlap. When those circles not overlapping, we can say that disjoint sets. Different regions in Venn diagram. See, we can represent like this. Not A dash is represented by the regions that are not in the circle A. A dash means not A. This is A dash. A dash represented by the regions that are not in the circle. See, this is A dash without A, not A. A intersection B, the region common to A and B. A union B. A, B, or both. Okay, let's do these sums taken from the past papers. The Venn diagram shows two sets, A and B. Use set notation to complete the statements. This is the universal set and two sets given. See, these elements are there inside these sets. So use the set notation to complete the statement. D. D is inside A, set A. No? D is here. So D is an element of A. F and G. F and G is here. So this area A intersection B. FG is in A intersection B. Complete the statement. N means that number of elements in the set. 6 elements where it is. This one is having only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But here in B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 there. So we can say NB equals 6. And see the other one. If we see this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is there. No? We can say not A. Not A also having 6 elements and B also having 6 elements. So we can give two answers. In the Venn diagram below, shade C intersection D dash. C intersection D dash, not D. So not D and intersection C means this area. You have to color this area for the answer. 50 students study at least one of the subjects, geography, mathematics, and history. 18 study only mathematics. So only mathematics doing 18 students. 19 study 2 or 3 of these subjects. So 19 they are doing 2 or 3 subjects. So this area. 23 study geography. 23 people therefore geography. So we can calculate this one first. No? First of all, we have to find the x value. They have given that 19 study 2 or 3 of these subjects. This is 3 subjects, 2 subjects. We can write the equation like this. X plus 7 plus x equals 19. So x plus x, 3x plus 7 equals 19. Then 3x equals 19 minus 7. Then x equals 12 over 3 is x equals 4. Then geography, 23, study geography. So here 4 plus 4, 8 plus 7, 15. 15, then 23 minus 15 is 8. 50 students are there. So we can find this value. So we know this 3 values, 19, yeah, plus 18, 27, 35, 45. Then 5 students here. Complete the Venn diagram. Use set notation to complete this statement. Given G union M union H dash. That means G union M union H dash means outside of this, nothing is there. So it is a empty set, otherwise null set. It's given 50 students study at least one. So outside no one there. So everybody studied at least one subject from this. So this is the null set. Find N G intersection M union H. M union H means this two, no? M union H, intersection G, this three, no? The answer is this three. X is 4, 4 plus 4, 8 plus 7, 15. Answer is 15. Here given universal set, integers greater than 2. A, prime numbers, B, odd numbers, and C, square numbers. Describe the type of numbers in the set B dash intersection C. B dash intersection C. B dash means even numbers. Intersection C means square numbers. So even square numbers. Complete the set labels on the Venn diagram. So we know here A is prime numbers, B odd numbers, C square numbers. Okay. Square numbers, A is prime numbers, B odd numbers. We can say this is B. And here we can say this is prime numbers. B is odd numbers, A is prime numbers. Prime numbers is a subset of odd numbers. And this is C, square numbers. Square numbers having even numbers and odd numbers. So this intersection is there. These odd square numbers and even square numbers. Take the region D dash union E intersection F. D dash means without D. So without D we have to color. And union E intersection F. This is the area we have to color without D. See, D is not shading, other everything you have to shade. In this Venn diagram, shade the given regions. First you have to color without A, not A. Then not B. So not A, not B you are shading, then this area is empty. So this is blank. C union D. C union D means C and D intersection E dash. That means without T. So C union D without T. So without T you have to shade this area. The Venn diagram shows the number of students in a group of 50 students who wear glasses, trainers, and have mobile phones. Glasses, trainers, and mobile phones. Use set notations to describe the region that contains only one student. Here only one student. So that means without this, no? This person is not wearing glasses, not wearing trainers, not having mobile phone. G union T union M dash. Find the value T dash intersection G union M. G union M means these two. G union M intersection without T. These three. 19 plus 9. 19 plus 9 is 0. 19 plus 9 is 28. Normally, with sets, the probability also come in. For the time being, I am doing, but later I am doing the probability properly. One student is picked at random from the 50 students. Find the probability that the student wears trainers but does not wear glasses. The student wearing trainers but does not wear glasses. 14 plus 3 is 17. The total 50 students. So 17 over 50. Two students are picked at random from those wearing trainers. Find the probability that both students have mobile phones. It's better to use tree diagram. This, we can do like this. Two students we are picked from random. So they have mobile phones or without mobile phone, other. Two students are picked at random from those wearing trainers. So trainers, we know this one. Two students we are taken from this. How much the total? 14 plus 3, 17, 19, 21. Okay, 21 children there. So we are taking two from this. Both students have mobile phones. Total is 21 with mobile phones and without mobile phones. Others. The students we are in trainer having mobile phones is 14 plus 2, 16. Okay. This total is 21. So 16 over 21 is having mobile phones. This is the first student. Okay. Then balance is 5, no? 5 over 21. Then we are taking randomly the second child. No? Now what is happening? One child has taken then having only 20. One child already taken. When taking second child, only 20 is there. So one child has taken, so 15 only here. Having mobile phones. So this is the tree, having mobile phones. The other roots are different. This root only having the two children having mobile phones. Other everything different. The first one having mobile phone is not having mobile phone. This first one not having mobile phone like that. So only this root we have to consider. Then the probabilities we have to multiply 16 over 21 into 15 over 20. So we can simplify this. 3 times 7, 3 times 5, then 5 times 4, 4 times 4. So 4 over 7 is the answer. Use set notation to complete the statements for the Venn diagram above. So X, Y, and Z sets are, there are 3 sets and elements inside those sets. Use set notation to complete the statements. C, where C? C is here. C is an element of set X. Simple A, M, E. The simple letters we are using for elements. A, M, E is here. What is A, M, E? This area. No? This is X intersection Y. Y intersection is it? No value. Nothing. Empty. So this is null set. Null set. List the elements of X union Y union is a dash. So X union Y union is a dash means other than this area outside. So outside UV and W. Find N X dash intersection is Z. X dash means without X and intersection is Z. So these values F, J, H, K, L. So how many values there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The Venn diagram shows information about the number of elements in sets A, B, and universal set. Here 20 minus X, X, 8 minus X, and 7 is there. N A union B equals 23. So A union B means this one. This total is 23. Find the value X. So we can write this equation to find the value X. 20 minus X plus X plus 8 minus X equal to 23. we can simplify this. 20, this x and this x cancel in. Then 8 minus x equals 23. This is 28. We can take this 23 here, minus 23, then minus x becoming plus x, then x equals 5. X value is 5. An element is chosen at random from universal set. Find the probability that this element is in A union B dash. A union B here, dash means outside. So this is 7. And this total, how much it is? 23. 23 plus 7, 30. 7 over 30 is the answer. She said rule as given. See, x colon, x is an integer. It is within this range. X is greater than 5 and less than 12. We can write C like this. So it is greater than 5 and less than 12. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. And D is 5, 10. Put a ring around the correct statement from the list below. See, D is null set. Is a null set? No, it's having two values. This incorrect. C intersection D is 10. C and D is having common one, no 10. So C intersection D is 10. This is correct. 6 element of D. 6 is not in D. And D subset of C. D not the subset of C. 5 is not there in C. So this is the answer. Find N C union D. C union D. We can draw this first in Venn diagram. C is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. D is 5, 10. No, this is common. So we have to find the value of C union D. C union D, how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. This year, 40 students have each traveled by one or more of plane, train, or boat. Okay, everybody has used this plane, train, or boat. 7 have traveled only by plane. So only by plane, 7. And 11 have traveled only by train. Okay. 9 have traveled only by boat. NP intersection T is 8, NB intersection T is 3, P intersection T is 8, B intersection T is 3, and this one 6. So we have to select randomly, that we can put values and see. The B intersection T is 3. So we can put here 2 and here 1. So we can try this trial and error method. First you can put 1 here and calculate the value. Then if it is not coming, then we have to try the other way. We'll put 2 here and then the balance is 1. This B intersection T is 3. Then we know P intersection T is 8. P intersection T is 8. This is 2, then this is 6. B intersection P is 6. B intersection P is 6. This one 2, then balance is 4. Okay, we can complete like this. So we can see this total, how much it is coming. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. 19, 20, 29, 34. Find N, P union B dash. P union B, this two. P union B is this. Dash means without that. No? See? 11 is the value. Use set notation to complete the statement. P union T union B dash means without plane, train, or bus. So, but here they said 40 students have each traveled by one or more Outside, nobody. P union T union B dash is empty. Nobody there. Though it is a empty set, we can write it as null set or bracket. You can put the bracket without anything. On the Venn diagram, shade the region A intersection B. I have shaded here A intersection B. This one. In the Venn diagram, shade X dash intersection Y. X dash means without X. Intersection Y means this is the area. No? We have to color. The Venn diagram below shows information about the number of gardeners who grow melons, potatoes, and carrots. Melons, potatoes, and carrots. It's given all the values. A gardener is chosen at random from the gardeners who grow melons. So melons this much. Total 6 plus 3, 9, 11, 16. 16 there. Find the probability that this gardener does not grow carrots. This is the carrot. Does not grow carrot means melon and potato. This 3. 9. 9 over 16. Find n M intersection P. This M intersection P union C dash without C. Without C means we have to add these all values. 3 plus 6, 9, 12, 9, 21, 24, 44. The answer is 44. Answer is 44. On the Venn diagram, shade the A intersection B dash. A intersection B means this area. So dash means without that. So we can shade other than this. No? This is the answer. Okay, we have done some questions about these sets and Venn diagrams. You have seen that with sets probability also coming. I will do the probability later. Thank you for watching. I think you understood everything. Thank you for watching. See you again.